This shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest, I want it all, I promise. I'm confident I win till the devil, I'm the hottest. We young and black, we got the city on our back. For a fact, trying to shine, kick out the niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil, I ain't never had the move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're big in our city back.
What's cracking, y'all? It's your boy Benny G Buckets.
And George, aka Sk8.
And we are back to business as usual.
Today, guys, we have a pair of high-top Vans that we're going to be customizing. It's going to be pretty dope.
We're going to be doing a Dr. Seuss Cat in the Hat custom.
All the while, we're going to keep this video a tutorial video, so if you wanted to do this custom yourself, you'll be able to at the end.
So let's go ahead and get started on the first steps to this custom. Alright guys, so as usual, the first step to any customization is going to be the preparation.
As you can see here, we have some acetone on the screen. We already cleaned the shoe, so now we're just going to use the acetone to remove any scuffs or blemishes that remain on the white portions of the shoe. We're going to rub it down lightly, hopefully get it looking nice and crispy. Once that's done, we can go ahead and begin painting the upper portion of the shoe. Let's get it.
My struggle made my work ethic, so I hustle harder than ever. Trying to forget about my troubles. I know God got something better. In this jungle, I can't crumble. I'ma maintain this pressure. Hustle method is genetic. I can't lose if I put effort. Tell my business to my huddle, otherwise just tell them. Cause they wanna see us fumble, I won't let us buckle. Sign us for millions by the bundle. If it's less, we won't settle. I die broke before I sell my soul to the devil. Them so-called bros switch, but I knew it was coming. Hardest nigga.
So the preparation step is complete. Now we can move on to the second step, which is going to be to create a paint mix to paint the uppers light blue.
As you guys saw, we have Angelus blue paint, Angelus white paint, and GAC 900. We will be using a 1:1:1 ratio of these three mixtures in order to create a soft, flexible light blue paint for the upper of the shoe. Let's go ahead and get into it.
My struggle made my work ethic, so I hustle harder than ever. Trying to forget about my troubles. I know God got something better. In this jungle, I can't crumble. I'ma maintain this pressure. Hustle method is genetic. I can't lose if I put effort. Tell my business to my huddle, otherwise just tell them. Cause they wanna see us fumble, I won't let us buckle. Sign us for millions by the bundle. If it's less, we won't settle. I die broke before I sell my soul to the devil. Them so-called bros switch, but I knew it was coming. Hardest nigga turned bitch, but I knew you was bluffing. Smartest nigga burnt this bridge, tryna prove something. I'm cold-hearted, damn near heartless, I ain't loving nothing. I'm cold-hearted, damn near heartless, I ain't loving nothing. Tryna shake my past, but it got a hold of me. They expecting me to fall, but I won't fold on it. Same nigga I call bro, this for these blow for him. No, they expecting me to fall, no. Won't sell my soul, no. Keep it silent when I'm rocking, never told, no. Couple people switched to make my heart cool, yeah. No, they expecting me to fall, no. Won't sell my soul, no. Keep it silent when I'm rocking, never told, no. Couple people switched to make my heart cool, yeah.
Don't even know about it, but said he jumping in the booth and making songs about it. When I was young, most shit we couldn't afford, but being broke ain't gon' cut it. It's something I can't ignore. I'm trying to make this bread cause we started out with crumbs. I'm from the slums, hustle in the jungle just to get the funds. Hey, niggas go behind your back, that's how this game goes. You supposed to still have a vision when your eyes closed. I don't watch my enemies cause my partners might change on me. I was only 14 when some niggas put a thing on me. Live to see 20 and every day is a blessing. I done made some mistakes, it's better than faking perfection.
No, they expecting me to fall, no. Won't sell my soul, no. Keep it silent when I'm rocking, never told, no. Couple people switch to make my heart cool, yeah. No, they expecting me to fall, no. Won't sell my soul, no. Keep it silent when I'm rocking, never told, no. Couple people switch to make my heart cool, yeah.
I can see success moving and coming in my direction, cause this game is stuck on me like a fucking infection. Kicking niggas out the game like a fucking ejection. I'm murdering you niggas without the use of a weapon.
Alright, so now that the base coat of light blue is complete, we can go ahead and get into the next step of this custom.
The next step is adding the cat in the hat part of the custom. So first we're going to draw out some white squares and rectangles to add some background depth. Once that's complete, we can go ahead and add the hat without the cat. So let's go ahead and get into that.
They hit all I said with a party. As soon as we pull up, that's when the party crack. Me and my dog, we rollin', in the corners all night till the morning. They hit all I said with a party. As soon as we pull up, that's when the party crack. Yeah. That's when the party crack.
The weekend here, now where the party at? We pulling up where all the liquor and the shawties at. If TNO ain't in the building, then it hardly crack. Bitches see us bust down and have a heart attack. We go main, got the city rocking on my ain't. Niggas see us making moves, now they hating on the daily. Speaking on my name, you gon' make these hoes pay me and slide out the function with a cute bitch, thick as Amy.
Fly niggas, so these bitch niggas hate me. Lot of jewelry on, so I'm slime with this Drakey. Light skin, thick bitch like I'm cakey. I smile at your bitch, you see this gold, wanna rape me. And if I let her ride this dick, drive her crazy. Hit that shit once and I'm gone, let she pay me. Now watch Lil Noonie do his dance. Big Glock on my hip, but I still can dance. Watch a nigga get behind it while she shake that ass. Young nigga beat it up, bitch, I'll make it plans. My TNO niggas got the whole party lit. Let a nigga lay a hand, then I'm sparking shit. Bitch, my dogs don't fight, I ain't Michael Vick. Put the fire to his wick, now it's
If in the building, say yeah, yeah, yeah. You bust down and you feel it, say yeah. If you the flyest in the building, say yeah. If you rockin' what they really say,
yeah. Baby, you should slide through. We just vibing, we just chillin', you should slide through. We can do it how you like to. We just vibing, we just chillin', you should slide through. We can chill, we can kick it, we can drink a little bit. Ass faster than waist, baby, I can make you rich. I can make the TNO party, so you know it's finna hit. Like gin and juice, baby, yeah, we all up in the mix.
This is how we do it, it's turn up time. She got a drink in her hand and she fucking up her dance. Get too drunk, might have a fist fire. Ain't no party like a TNO party, cause a TNO party don't stop.
Ain't no problem, I got plenty. Drape you in designer, Balenciaga and Fendi. I ain't in the sharing my shorty, I'm too stingy, I'm selfish. I want you all on myself, I can't help it.
When you ain't knowing, you just thinking you can do. I ain't focused on that chicken, little shorty, I come on. You ain't talking about that bag, little baby ain't talking nothing. Say I'm on my own path, and I see you tryna cruise. We can take a ride, shorty, just trust me, you won't lose. I ain't saying I'm the best, but I'm better than a few, yeah. You just gotta hold me down. Don't worry what they say, they ain't been around.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this one.
If you guys like that video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. And also, if you could do us a huge favor and go down to that comment section right now, let us know how you truly felt about the video. We'd really appreciate it.
And never forget to check out spr15.com where you can get yourself some fresh SneakPeak merch. You can hit us up to get some work done, or you can check out some of our previous work. And today's snippet of motivation is, why fit in when you were born to stand out? So from your boys here at SneakPeak, Benny G Buckets.
And George, aka Sticks.
It's only one way.
Let's get it.